you expect better from your club tonight?
We did. We did. But it wasn't a good game overall. To me, it looked like two teams that just pretty much in the last couple of days were mathematically out of the playoffs, and looked like just a sloppy game. And I don't think it was really a good hockey game by either team. But for our last game at home, we're hoping for more.
I think that Evan just a few minutes ago said you got lucky, you just run out of gas. It's maybe physically and emotionally.
Well, I mean, there's truth to that. I mean, you know what? This game is built on energy, emotion, tempo. And if you lose that, then it's just you're just going out and playing the game. I mean, it's for the most part. I think all the games this year our guys pushed, and I don't think there's any quitting. But you can see it certainly tonight was the first game where I think the fact of not going to the playoffs, we didn't have the energy that you need to win a hockey game. And but I guess we get an opportunity to bounce back tomorrow, and we're going to get that professionalism back in and get ready to compete, play hard, and play the right way.
Was there anything about the game that you liked from your standpoint?
You know what? It's I mean, we come out and they're really going, and I'm sure in time, he's been so good all year, and a few of those shots, I'm sure he'd like to get back. He's a competitor in that, but let's be honest, it was just an overall. It looked like a team that just was didn't have the energy to mentally to play tonight. Probably, like I say, it's not being in the fact of not being in the playoffs. It really hit everybody tonight.
Is it tough to digest that this was the last impression in this building for the season? Is that kind of?
Well, I mean, it is. I mean, but like I say, it's you'd like to finish on a strong note in the last game. Like I say, I think your last game at home is the same time as pretty much the first game that you're mathematically here, and so timing wise, there's going to be a letdown on teams, because that's what we're after, is to keep playing. And so I mean, I think the timing of it probably didn't match up for that part. It just happened that the last game at home was the game that we looked like we deflated, and that it really sunk in that this is the last game we're playing here at home this year.
Is it tough on the guys thinking that when they hear the rumors this change is coming? Does that factor in as well? Is it tough on the guys?
Well, they're human beings. I mean, it's of course that I'm sure it goes through people's minds or whatever. But like we said, it's we talked about it. We said, listen, our job is to focus on game by game and hit this right to the end. And that's the expectations of what we want to do here. So a lot of being a pro in the pro sports world is that there's always rumors, there's always speculation, and you got to learn to put everything on the side and do your job and get it done and do it the best you can. So that's why you're in pro sports. So it's not always easy, and there's always distractions and things that go on, but you got to stay focused and do your job and get the job done.
Thanks, Coach.